In this video, what we are going to do is we're going to take an existing thumbnail that we have on YouTube and see how we can modify it in Instathumbs. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to your top right hand corner where it says open, click that and click on YouTube thumbnail. Now what we're going to do is you're going to go to YouTube and find the URL that looks like this and then import it into this program. So I'm going to go to another browser. I'm going to pick this YouTube video that I made some time ago and I'm going to take their
Hello, this is Claude here. Good evening, folks.
And I'm going back to the program and I'm going to paste it in this dialog box here, and then I'm going to import it, and you'll see that the image will be pulled in here in a second. Let's click that, double click it, and there we are. So it's that simple. If you've got an existing thumbnail that you want to edit, you can pull it from YouTube, edit it, and then upload it again. Hope this helps you to understand the power of Instathumbs.